amidst all this?
Hi, what a thriller of qualifier 2 between DC and KKR. Brilliant 6 by the end from Tripathi. What a comeback from DC, by the way. They were nowhere in the 16th over. KKR were comfortably chasing the target 135, but good comeback from Rabada, Noikia, and Avesh Khan. Avesh Khan just conceded 2 runs in the 17th over. Rabada got a wicket and 1 run, and then Noikia bowled the 19th over brilliantly, but Ashwin at the end got 2 wickets, but unfortunately bowled at short length, and Tripathi scores a 6. And KKR somehow managed to win the game. A nervy chase at the end, but good win for KKR. So we have here Venkat, who must be very happy right now since CSK is going to chase KKR, and must be happy now for Aman's reaction, waiting on Friday now. The battle with
No, I'm
Aman.
waiting for Aman's reaction today. Where is Aman?
Yeah, where is Aman, guys? Come on, Aman, if you're there, please
Okay.
come live. Yeah.
If Aman
I
watching
just
this tomorrow, we are missing you, and we are trying to cover the best as much as possible for you.
I just want to see the brilliant comeback. I won't count out the CSK comeback in 2018.
Pawan,
2 years.
Pawan, only one question. Only one.
Yeah, sure.
I have. Oh, wait.
Somebody's
Wait.
vibrant. Yeah,
I,
Aryan,
I have.
ask. Yeah.
I have a class. Now you understand the pain us Punjab fans had.
I understand. Yes, that's what I was just telling on the WhatsApp group.
Aryan came just
That's what
for
I was
this.
just telling on the WhatsApp group.
Aryan
Punjab,
came just to
RCB, and
say
DC
this.
are in the same page, same boat as fans. Punjab Kings, RCB, and now Delhi Capitals. All three are in the same same page, and I understand that. Yeah, no
You
doubt about that, Aryan. I
you
understand. I
hope
really
for a
understand right
miracle.
now.
You hope for a miracle, but now no one will laugh at our misery as Punjab fans.
Wow, DC 3 times in a row. 3 times in a row.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they can't win thriller games.
No.
And yeah, just simply brilliant from Rahul Tripathi. Somehow managed
And
to finish the
last
play the
last
six.
question. Last question. Rabada is the one who changed this game for you. What the hell did your captain think of not giving him the last over in the previous game?
Yeah, but he
Because
finished. He finished the
No,
4 overs, I think
no,
today.
no.
Yes.
Last
He had
game, where
1
did he
hour
finish
left.
4 overs?
Last game, yes. About last game, yeah.
Ashwin had
That's what I was
overlapped.
doubting. That's what
all
I
five
was saying,
Ashwin
batsmen,
had
Aryan, about last
overlapped.
match also. That's what I was saying. Why didn't they give
I mean,
Rabada
one thing,
all
the
five
last
batsmen.
over in that
no,
match against CSK?
Pawan,
But that's
there,
gone. That game is gone.
uh,
We shouldn't remind about that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
this game only I'm talking. They bought in Stoinis. They didn't even give him 1 over. He was sitting in the dressing room. What point was it to get him into the 11 for batting? I think a Smith or a Tom Curran could have been a better choice to play ahead of this
Ajinkya
Stoinis.
Rahane could have been a better
I
choice.
agree. Not Rahane. Tom Curran
Anyone
could
would
have
have
been
been
a
a
good
better choice,
choice
to
in
be
the
honest.
middle.
Just
Yeah, this
Lalit
is the
Yadav, at
thing.
least.
Stoinis could have bowled in the power play, but then they realized the same mistake what happened to Dwayne Bravo also for CSK in that when they gave him the 17th over. So they didn't want to risk giving Stoinis a 17th or 19th over,
See,
just 1 over from
No, no,
Stoinis.
no.
That's the thing.
see the
Stoinis was
the
injured and
difference.
in the dressing room.
He
Stoinis
did
was
not
not on the
field
field.
only. He was not in the field for
That's
the
what I'm
entire 20
Yeah,
saying.
overs.
very disappointing. Yes, I understand. Yeah, Dipanshu, I don't know this Hindi. He's saying, "Bahut bura hu
About
pawan, kaise hu ye hadsa."
It's like
how
very
did this
bad.
happen?
How did this happen?
To who? This was I didn't expect DC to come back to this game whatsoever. No
I
chance.
like Pawan's
100% for
attitude
KKR.
now. He's completely focusing on the positive of the comeback. Very nice.
Pavan,
Yes,
what
I'm positive. Yeah, I'm
Dipanshu wanted to
satisfied.
highlight was
Yeah.
KKR won, DC lost.
So that is
That's
the
the main.
Yes, that's the ultimate
Ah,
story. But at least DC gave a fight back. That's what we all
very
wanted.
good fight,
We
very good
wanted
fight.
as DC fans
fight
to
backs.
give a
Wait.
fight back.
You're talking about fight backs?
But Pavan,
Ask
good
ask me
fight.
about the fight backs. How many fight backs have we done? I
You
mean,
guys haven't reached the playoffs, Punjab Kings.
No, no,
So
forget
don't.
Aryan.
At
playoffs.
least DC have
Aryan,
got to the
Punjab and
playoffs.
all of our teams, no, we fight in the back.
Hmm.
Who
Now
is
RCB
8? Who
even
is
RCB
7?
can be categorized same. Now Rohan, RCB and
Hey,
DC
RCB, don't
can be
even go there.
categorized in the same
We
because
have a different
playoffs
level.
both
Entire
teams
IPL,
in
we
the
were
playoffs
third.
they mess up
Most
because
consistent team.
Not in the playoffs. That's the thing. Both RCB and DC, when you talk
Even
about
playoffs,
Even
they
in
came
playoffs,
third
playoffs,
they
only.
weren't
even
missing.
in even in playoffs, they're consistent. They always come third.
Yes,
Yes, but
we
DC
like
also
number
same,
3.
right?
See,
last three seasons,
DC
there
why?
is a big there is
Playoffs,
playoffs
a
they
big
went.
runner-up, again playoffs.
Ron Ron, I'll answer. There is a big difference between a DC and a RCB. RCB fans are not as arrogant as DC fans.
Wait. I'm thinking from a next year point of view. Okay, so leave the fan banter. Only few options will be given to Delhi Capitals. This was their strongest team. Okay,
It's
everyone
done.
will
They are done.
agree
Agreed.
to my point.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now there will be players up for grabs in the auction. Two new teams who will definitely have their eyes on them. Let's say, for example, Shikhar Dhawan is up for grabs.
Prithvi
Okay.
Shaw.
Prithvi Shaw, okay. Sunrisers Hyderabad, Tata Warner, they are looking for an opener. Punjab Kings, okay, bye bye. KL Rahul, they are looking for an opener. So I think Delhi now they have lost the best opportunity to win the IPL,
Definitely
according to
agree.
me. Yeah.
Agree. I
Hmm.
absolutely agree. Yes, very true. Very true. They lost the best chance, but hopefully next year, I don't know, auctions. It depends on the auctions. Those 8
Venki,
teams,
you correct
you
me.
never know.
After 2016, KKR is the first team to go through the eliminator, to go through to the Q2, and then go to the final, right? After
No,
SRH.
they
Yeah,
did it the same in 2012 also, where
yeah.
they
No,
finished
no,
number
no.
4.
No,
After 2016,
latest,
this
latest he's saying.
Yeah,
latest.
yeah.
But this could definitely be KKR winning the IPL very soon. I don't know.
Possible,
Final.
KKR
highly
wins,
possible.
guys.
This could be the greatest comeback, I
Aman's
think,
not just
ever.
going to Sharjah or anywhere. He's
He
going
will
to
go to
Mars,
Mars.
Jupiter,
If
Saturn.
KKR win the
We
IPL,
name it
forget it,
everywhere.
guys. Greatest comeback ever from
See,
first,
just the
like
only
being
problem
seventh in
with
the
that is
table.
the
If
only problem
if
with that
this
is there is a Tala in between.
Yeah, but greatest comeback. If KKR wins IPL
No,
2021
no,
from
no, no.
seventh
It
being in
is.
the first
I
leg,
don't think. I don't think we need to judge their comeback by the final. This is one of the greatest comebacks in the IPL
Yes,
history.
yes, agree. Irrespective
not
of
one of the
result.
greatest. I think it's the best if they go and win it. If they go and win it, definitely the
That
best.
will.
You
IPL is
just
one of the
want
best.
CSK to lose, man. You just want CSK to lose.
No. I'm not telling this. See, I'm actually serious about this KKR. I'm not thinking about CSK losing this final or whatever right now. If KKR, I'm saying
Till
if
yesterday you
the
didn't
word if
want KKR to win. Now you want them to win cup.
I am not talking as a CSK. I'm not talking as a neutral. I'm talking as a neutral fan, but I'm saying as a KKR fan point of view. I'm saying if Amahan was there, definitely would have agreed with me. Everyone here will be agree with me here. If KKR wins the IPL, definitely it's the greatest comeback. There's no doubt. Being
Hmm.
seventh in the
But
points table,
they have already done that, and I think their 2012 win is a much bigger comeback than this.
yeah. Hello.
They won 9 matches on the trot. They've qualified number 4 in the playoffs, and they went on to win against CSK in the finals. That was the
Hello,
biggest comeback.
everyone.
Yeah,
I think that
we
was
are here. We can
2014. No?
Hey, guys.
2012.
Sorry.
Well,
I think I went off for a bit. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
we could see you. We could see all the misery, man. Don't worry.
huh.
Yeah. But about this match, let's focus on the match. Very disappointed. I mean, Stoin is coming at number 3. I think he should have not
Huge
even be
mistake.
included. I told to include Steve Smith. If I was punting right now as a coach, I would have definitely brought in either a Tom Curran or a Smith in this side.
No,
Definitely.
just
Not
based
if
on this,
Stoin is at
Pavan, do
number
you
3.
think Ricky Ponting should be retained?
Hey, come on, man. How? He should be retained.
Tough
He's taken
question.
team to 3 playoffs. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but I think the
See,
next year
ultimately,
it
you
should be
you
a bit
you are you're
different.
judged by results, right, Venkat? Pressure matches
From
is what you're
2012,
paid for.
from 2012 to 2018, CSK did not win a cup. Did they change Fleming?
Yeah,
CSK
You have
culture is
to.
they,
different.
So you have to build culture, na. That is the point. You
See,
build maybe an aggressive
even
culture.
10 years
That is
down the
fine.
line, CSK may not change Dhoni.
Okay,
Possible.
I'll answer Dean Pansu. Why I'm not crying? Because I'm happy because DC at least gave a comeback. If DC never gave a comeback, let's say
He
KKR
didn't
win
ask
by
you, why
10
are you
wickets,
not
then I'll be
crying? He's
crying.
asking you, why are you
Then I'll be
crying?
crying by now. I'll be crying and I won't be doing this post-match analysis even. At least they
Yeah,
gave a
happy
fight back.
hai
That's
mere.
what I'm happy. At least they gave a
Hmm.
comeback. That's what I'm happy
Hmm.
about. Picking up wickets. 7 wickets
Pavan,
in the last, how we don't know
Pavan,
how many
I
overs.
just want you to say one thing.
Yes.
You have to just say CSK and
Last
KKR
8
are the
overs.
best teams of this IPL.
Yeah.
Say that.
I mean, second leg. No. Wait.
Say
Second leg,
that.
yes.
They have
KKR,
reached finals,
KKR
man.
is good.
What are you talking about?
CSK, yes. CSK has been consistent throughout India, in the Indian leg and the UAE leg, yes. CSK have been good. KKR, meanwhile, in the UAE leg, and now they are good. If they went to India, they continued playing the IPL back then. I mean, if they didn't stop, KKR wouldn't have reached the playoffs. I'll tell
But
that
then
right
MI
away.
would have reached the playoffs, and this would have been a CSK versus MI finals.
How can you predict like that, Venkat, before without the Indian this thing?
You are predicting for KKR. You are predicting for DC. Why can't I predict for MI?
Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, no doubts, no talking over there. Okay. Let's focus on this. But very disappointed.
Dipanshu wants to say
DC.
Pavan Edanappa.
Oh, this Dipanshu. I don't know why did you tell him man of the match? What's your reason of telling him as the man of the match
He
instead
was
of
on
Aman?
fire.
Aman has to be man of the match. No, Aman should be the guy. If he was
Pavan is
here,
owner.
he's shouting
Pavan
right
is
now.
owner of the match.
Huh.
Pavan is owner of the match.
Deepanshu was hitting every ball 6 4 or perfect dot.
And direct hits.
Direct, yeah.
Dipanshu says, "Thank you, Venkat, but your brother is man of the match."
Venkatesh Iyer.
This is why he's
Oh, okay, that's
See, another
I didn't
six.
get the joke.
Another 6 by Dipanshu.
Yeah, but
This
Marcus
is not just a
Stoinis
6.
first game. Yeah, focusing on the game, I think DC might not retain both Shaw and Dhawan. Could be the last time these two are playing
How
together.
the hell can you not retain Shaw?
Come on, would you drop Shiraz Iyer in this playing 11? Would you? Definitely, they're going to retain Pant.
You guys dropped him from captaincy. Why
No,
not drop him from
definitely
the
they are
team?
going to retain Pant. No, Venkat, you have to agree that they are going to retain Pant, right?
They'll retain Pant, they'll retain Rabada, they have to retain Shaw.
No, I think they have to retain Iyer.
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. If I'm a DC fan, if I'm in the DC head. See, every team requires 3 major things. One is a good opener, a strong opener, a good middle order, and a good bowler whom you can rely on. If there are 3 reliable players in these 3 areas of your team is basically strong. You have your core built, and in that you have to pick a captain. So this fulfills with Shaw, Pant, and Rabada. You have your death bowler, someone you can rely on. You have a great opener who can give that 50-run quick runs in the power play. So that the middle order can build on.
Iyer in CSK, I think that's the thing.
if you remove Iyer, if you retain Iyer, and if you don't get a strong opener, I'll tell you what will happen. The reason how CSK struggled in the entire 2018 power plays with Watson not giving runs, that how huge that.
But they somehow won the IPL, no? Venkat, they somehow won the IPL, no, in 2018.
That's what I'm telling you.
The last moment they won.
The last moment, Watson again performed. That's why they won. Do not forget the finals.
Yes,
also they won because of
no
a strong
doubt,
opener.
It was all Watson. Yes, I completely agree. Yeah.
Today, MI was on contention to be in the number 4. Why? Because Quinton de Kock and Rohit Sharma gave runs. Why is DC so strong in the till the second qualifier? Dhawan scored runs and Shaw gave them runs. Why CSK in there? Ruturaj Gaikwad and this. Even why RCB came in? Because of Maxwell, the top. One of the other guys were losing wickets. It was Maxwell who carried them. Padikkal up to a certain level. But yeah, and we are talking about everything about MI. At least power play. Even
Dipanshu
Surya Kumar Yadav.
It's already announced. Ruturaj is going to be retained.
Ruturaj, Faf, and Jaddu retained. Fix.
Are you sure about Faf?
Yes. No problem.
Why I'm saying Faf,
Oh, Satvik is
a
here.
captain.
A captain. At least a close game.
But
Faf as a captain.
he just said that Dhoni will be there in the next year. So why you need a Faf as a captain?
Yeah, Dhoni just said that he might be there next year.
He said he might be.
Who said? No guarantee. The sponsors, now CSK board, all said that Dhoni is going to retain next year.
He said he wants to get a farewell at Chennai.
Yeah.
See, it could be an exhibition match also. Farewell does not mean a
league match. They're going to retain him now for 1 year.
See, I'll tell you, as a CSK fan, I 100% want Dhoni to be retained. But from a team perspective, it does not make sense to retain him. It's a 3-year contract.
This is where I'm saying. Understand, Venki. This is where I'm saying. The IPL can be tweaked at the last moment. They can retain him maybe with an exception clause for 1 year or
Okay, I'll show this
worst case 2 years.
from
I
MS
don't see
Dhoni
him for 3 years.
sponsors. MS Dhoni
Hmm?
sponsors just confirmed. India Cements, okay, been so many years. They won't say false things, right? Yeah. MSD to be retained in 2022 IPL. Basically, they are the ones who are sponsoring for CSK as well, and they've just confirmed they're going to
So in that
retain.
case, Gaikwad, Dhoni, and Jaddu. Again, a reliable bowler, a captain, and an opener. The formula remains
How
same.
many
Then
ads have you
have
seen Dhoni for India Cements? So obviously, if we know that he's been. CSK sponsored by India Cements. Even Dhoni's been sponsored by India Cements. So I don't think they'll go and say false things to the media, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Pawan,
what?
I tell you what, we should reserve our judgment here. Lots of things can happen. Still 4-5 months to go. You're not
Yeah.
sure how Dhoni will be playing, either as a marquee retained player or even at a base price player, or some strange RTM comes in. You still, the rules are not yet decided.
There
Let's
I
wait
think
till
there
the
could be a
official
one
list.
RTM option.
There could be, yeah.
Could be.
But we never
Could
know.
be.
We never know though. This is the thing.
And see, on the other
Yeah.
hand, tell me something. If a Dhoni comes into the auction, how much money do you think he'll fetch? As of now, his batting is
That's
gone.
why
To be honest.
He has said all he said was fans can see his farewell match in Chennai, and he said that next year is going to be his last one. So if he says like
True,
that,
that's why.
and if he's
Why
going to win
can't you
IPL
read
this
properly?
year,
Why can't you read properly? There is no way to conclude that next year is last one. He didn't say that next year is last one.
yeah, true. Yeah, very true.
Could be
Sorry
even
for
this
that,
year.
yeah.
That's what I'm
No.
saying.
This year.
I think he'll go back to India and conclude. He deserves it. MS Dhoni deserves it.
You're
Pawan,
not
for a
understanding,
farewell.
Pawan.
he left Test captaincy like that. He left ODI
Yeah.
and everything just like
That
that.
is what I'm
There is
saying.
no saying Dhoni what will do. For
There is,
all you know,
you can't
on
predict him.
15th itself will say, okay, I am done. CSK, this is my last game. Thank you everyone for IPL and all done. That will resolve his what do you call the mentorship, the conflict of interest. CSK is not there. Is not there for CSK anymore. It's all done. Why do you think he's not charging for India for a mentor? Because of the conflict of interest. People are like, oh,
you're using my line.
Dhoni. No, but yeah, I agree to you. But I agree to you. Completely agree to you.
Yeah.
So do you think Dhoni won't be retained next season, in your opinion, Venkat?
He should not.
I'm not saying he won't be retained. He will be retained maybe in a different way.
He will be with CSK, but not as a player.
That I don't agree. But he will play a different role. I agree with Rohan. He'll play a different role.
Agree?
But he's going to be a player for next season. For next season, after that he'll be a mentor.
Let's see. Not sure. Nothing's official, man.
Yeah.
Hey, forget Dhoni for next year. Don't change the topic. Let's come to DC losing.
Manjrekar is waiting for Manjrekar is waiting for Venki's shots, and please don't talk about Sanjay Manjrekar. He doesn't tell half the things correct. So I don't know why people are referring to Sanjay Manjrekar.
I'm telling you, KL Rahul or Shreyas Iyer is coming to CSK as the next captain.
There is news that RCB, that Josh Butler could be captain of RCB. There's rumors going on there also with RCB right now with Josh Butler.
Not required.
Faf looks
not required Butler and all.
With Dhoni in the team.
We don't want any English captain and all. I'm saying.
Faf is a perfect option, perfectly, because he's free. There is no international commitments to him. Great player. Top class fitness and a great captain. He took the Patriots to the finals.
ADB doesn't get retained by RCB. That could be a good option for some. I mean, not as a captain, but a good player for some other team. If
I like how Pawan just changed the entire topic from DC losing the qualifier to CSK retainment and everything.
No,
to the topic, Pawan.
Let's focus on this match.
Topic.
Ifans is asking me this. So I have to take from the comments also, no?
No.
I was trying to come back to this match. Yeah.
Let's focus
on this match now. Yeah. Let's focus on this match.
What all things you said in the chat against CSK and MI and everyone? What all things you said? You're so confident, so overconfident about DC. What do you have to say, Pawan, now?
But so overconfident. So anyway, as a loyal fan, I have to be confident. No, like either Rohan is confident that RCB is going to win the IPL. He says that, and I also can tell. I also can express that GC can win the IPL. You are very confident always that CSK is going to win IPL. It doesn't happen, but this year they have been very good. So credits to Dhoni
What
and
doesn't happen?
team.
Did you forget the 3 cups we won? Did you forget all the finals we reached, all the playoffs we reached?
Yeah,
What?
last year what happened? Last year what happened? The disappointment. What happened last year?
So what
7th.
happened to DC last year? What happened in the
Last
finals?
year finals. Don't compare finals with CSK being 7th in the table and not qualifying for playoffs. Please.
So don't compare one
compare that
finals with
about,
3 trophies and n number of playoffs and the Champions League.
Pavan,
no,
if you
I'm
want
talking
just
about
for
different
support
things.
sake, I'll tell you one thing. At least DC or RCB don't fix matches and get banned.
Oh, that's why I asked him in the previous live, Pawan, whether do you rate Rajasthan? He said no. So that point is, he said does not have issue with fixing. It is just jealousy that they are not winning. Because Rajasthan is not winning, he does not have any
No, when
problem.
did I say
Because
that about
CSK is
jealousy about
winning.
CSK? When did I say jealousy about
For-
CSK winning an IPL title? I never said that. I
Venki,
never ever said that about
Rajasthan
CSK.
owner is also behind bars, by the way,
No, he's
for
not
a
anymore.
different thing.
No, he's not
Okay,
Rajasthan
he
owner
was.
anymore.
Okay,
They removed
let's
him.
go
Stakeholder.
back to the match.
No,
Let's
not
go
even
back to
that.
the
They have
match.
completely removed him. Raj Kundra has
Best
no
thing.
stakes in Rajasthan.
Yeah.
Okay, I will agree with Venki. He will be available for CSK, but as a coach or mentor, would you even drop Stephen Fleming as a coach now?
No, we can have 2 coaches. We don't mind. Tom Moody
One
and Trevor
inside
Phillips
the
are in
dressing room,
Hyderabad.
one on the field.
Yeah. So what?
True. Yeah.
Like there are 2 coaches in here. Rohan
CSK ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಯಾಕೆ
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್
CSK ಬಾಗಿ
ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ.
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ मतलब
ನಮ್ಗೆ CSK ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. We are always fans of good cricket. CSK for Tala Dhoni,
Yes.
always huge fan of MS.
what did he
No
say? What is
tension,
the
macha. Why tension?
What did he say by the way?
Why should I take tension for CSK? Is asking. Why should I take?
Hey, no. He does not.
What?
I know one thing. RCB and Chennai fans, for us, CSK versus RCB is one of the biggest games of the IPL, the South Indian Derby. Because Chennai, you throw a stone, it lands in Bangalore. Bangalore, stone it one lands in Chennai.
Just to, if I don't know how many people are watching, Pavan, but see, in terms of
Yeah.
IPL, if you go, CSK has the edge over RCB, almost 2:1 ratio. But
True.
if you are a
The
true Indian
matches.
domestic cricket fan,
Matches.
yeah, okay. True domestic Indian cricket fan, Karnataka has beaten Tamil Nadu in a very, very, very humiliating way all over the world. You can say all over India, home, away, neutral venues, finals in every trophy, 4-day format, 1-day format, T20 format. So it kind of
That's why the
balances out.
rivalry
So
is
there is
low.
no
I don't
hatred.
know how Delhi are doing
That
in
is
the
rivalry.
domestic. I have no
Delhi
idea.
is losing in
about,
all areas.
Indian
Delhi is
domestic.
losing in IPL. Delhi is losing in domestic. Delhi is nowhere.
Delhi.
Capital of India. I don't know what's going on in Delhi right now. Ownership.
I'll tell you, Pawan, one thing. I'll tell you, Pawan.
They should be the team that should be.
I'll tell you something. Just changing names doesn't change the whole this, okay?
But at least they reached the playoffs. At least the team. At least they reached the final. You have to appreciate
what,
that.
RCB
Pavan,
also
forget
have
that.
reached
See,
playoffs.
if you're a DC fan, you have 2 positives. One, you top the table. Second, you guys
Yes.
played damn well to lose a very close qualifier 2. Be happy with that.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Same with qualifier 1. It was close. Qualifier 1 also was close. It's just because of Dhoni's finish. That they won the match. The
Pawan,
Dhoni's knock.
you need experience to win these matches. Just
I agree.
basic power and youth and these things don't win you this crucial knockout games. You need experience.
3 things. Satvik here saying DC RCB 2.0.
No.
I know the RCB have beaten DC twice. It's been a thriller. The RCB deserve the win, but that doesn't mean that RCB have been better than DC. At least if they had a third place playoff, then we can see who's the better team right now.
Hey. You just commented in the chat there should be no third place playoff. And why are you asking here now?
No. I mean, if
contradictory guy.
if no, I didn't say that there should be.
So there is a good comment for you, Pawan. Pawan, now you can happily enjoy Sri Lanka's practice matches, waiting for the next Sri Lankan match. You should be just focus on that.
No. When Mahela leaves as a mentor, I don't know what will happen now with Sri Lanka after those 2
Yeah,
weeks.
honestly, I never understand that logic, man. Mentor for qualifying games
Yeah.
I
and
don't
nothing for
think.
the main World Cup, it seems.
Show me where did you
Okay.
read this?
Yeah.
You will
Okay.
show me where did you
Even
read
I
this?
didn't read it. I actually tried and searched it. I
Sure.
didn't get it,
Sure.
Pawan. Is it some inside
Yeah,
info or any local news?
It's been everywhere, even in ESPN. But I'll check.
Show me.
Is it?
I
Yeah,
don't think.
sure.
And judging from how you read news, I am sure you would misread it.
Okay. You can see clearly. Okay, wait. Give me a second. At least in the comment
mean-
section, guys. Satvik, you must be knowing, no? Satvik, you say that LPL 99%. You must be knowing, no? So here, Mahela Jayawardene to be part of Sri Lanka support staff during 2020 World Cup first round. First round means qualifiers. See,
What is the
Okay.
point?
first round of men's
Yeah, what
2020 World
use?
Cup to be played in the UAE and Oman.
From October 17. So he's
See, okay,
1
here.
minute.
Okay, wait here.
Pawan,
Jayawardene, who has been,
this.
I'll read. Jayawardene, who has been the Mumbai Indians head coach since 2007. They won. Okay. Final of the IPL is scheduled for October 15. Sri Lanka's first match at the World Cup will be on October 18th against Namibia. 4 teams from the first round will join the top 8 teams, which starts on October 23rd. Wait. Where has this said now? Okay, here, wait. We are very happy to welcome Mahela into his new roles, as his presence with the Sri Lanka team and the under 19 team is going to help the players immensely. From they haven't said it properly, in the ESPN. What the hell? First
No,
round means
only the headlines
qualifier.
it kind of meant.
It might be
But
just
I have
what
one
do you
doubt
call?
here, Pawan. Only doubt is, see, he's going from UAE to Oman for the qualifiers. If he just stayed back in UAE, he can assist them in the World Cup.
Yeah.
Wait. This was there somewhere. Wait. Jayawardene is currently in UAE for the IPL. He is also working in the under 19 team as consultant coach.
Where
He
does
has
it say that he will
rejected
not be a consultant for World Cup? Show me that.
World Cup first round means the qualifiers, right?
Hey, Pawan, you tell me as a logic, as a Sri Lankan fan, you tell me, why do you need a consultant for the qualifying games
Qualifier.
against very much lowly ranked teams like Namibia, Ireland, etc.? You need him
here
for the
I
also
main
have a doubt for this. This is the
round.
thing. I'm
even
also having the same doubt as you guys right
but
now.
look at it. It just look like a what do you call it? What do you call that bait? To just get that.
Dipanshu says here, I know why Jayawardene is not doing mentoring in league games, because Mahela has no expectation from Sri Lanka and all blame will be given to Mahela. What nonsense is this? This is not the reason. What?
Too harsh.
That's not the reason. What is that coming from Dipanshu over there? I completely disagree with that.
Scroll down.
Yeah, sure.
Where is it written after the Oman will go?
Former Sri Lanka captain appointed national team consultant for first round. 2020 World Cup will be played in the UAE from Oman from October 17th. They are in Group A and begin their. Okay, Jayawardene will also be a consultant and mentor to Sri Lanka's under 19 team for 5 months as they prepare for next year's World Cup.
That is okay. But
okay, means he'll prepare them and give it. It won't be during the under 19 World Cup.
First,
I think that was just a baiting trap to clickbait thing was happening there. There doesn't say anywhere that he will not coach them.
Focus on this.
Under 19 World.
Okay.
Under 19 is in the next year. What is it? 5 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, but 5 months. So they have said only first round, and that means qualifiers.
Look at this. Islandcricket.lk. Jayawardene could be back in Sri Lanka from team dugout as a mentor for the World Cup.
So when they say first round, Venkat, that means qualifiers.
Where is the first
Sri
round?
Lanka have to face another round.
I don't get it.
Yeah, the Satvik says this year we have under 19 West Indies. No, it's next year.
Next year.
Hey, this year means 2022 is saying.
But this year is
Yeah, so
2021.
2021 is going to end next year. So yeah.
Yeah, that's 5 months down the line. In February, March is that under 19 World Cup.
Just
Don't,
search
I think
when is the under 19 camp starting for Sri Lanka under 19 team.
this
I think even under
they
19
said
Mahela only will have to go and play then.
It's under 19, not 190. Okay.
I know, Venkat, calm down.
Dipanshu is like, why
Okay,
Sri Lanka playing
you
with
guys
Oman? Why not
predicted the whole
Afghanistan and
cup
Bangladesh?
from DC to
Do you want to
DC
talk
to,
about DC loss? I'm happy to talk. Do you want to talk?
no, I mean KKR's win
Then
to
then then then
under
shut up and
19
search.
cricket.
Then set up and search the under 19 schedule.
This is women's cricket. Wait, under 19s men's
Hey,
residential
dirty
camp.
boy. Dirty dog.
No,
Search
here
about the right
a
stuff.
residential training camp will be conducted for the 26 under 19 players selected, focusing on upcoming inboard tours, under 19 Asia Cup and the under 19 World Cup. 22-day training camp will be conducted at the SSC. In addition to the on-field focus, the players will also take part in personal development
It's already
activities during the
started.
program, which will
9
commence on
September
the
2021.
9th September.
It's already started.
Yes, but Mahela will come back to Sri Lanka after the qualifiers. That's the news that has come. He's not going to stay for the whole 2020 World Cup. First round means
Pointless.
qualifiers.
I see
and
actually
all
no
second
use at all of
means-
Mahela then.
Completely useless. Because they will not need Mahela in qualifiers. They will need them
Yeah.
against the better teams.
Bigger teams.
Tomorrow,
What
if
is
Sri
first
Lanka
round
is
then? First
forget.
round means the qualifiers.
So, do you think they will need Mahela in versus Namibia?
Honestly, if they are looking at Mahela requirement in this round, something's wrong, man. Seriously.
This is the thing.
Then Sri
I
Lanka
said
don't deserve to win the World Cup if they need Mahela here.
Calm down, and don't go and criticize about this.
No,
Yeah,
not
sorry,
like
Venkat.
that, Pawan.
Aryan, I can see now. I was checking on all this.
Finally.
Mahela controversy
Well,
here.
if you need Mahela's advice to beat a Namibia, then do you think they deserve to win the World Cup?
No, at least so it has to be his agreement as well. No, he doesn't want to be coach of Sri Lanka first of all. He just wants, there needs to be time. No, now I understand now that he has to be there in the during the 2020 World Cup, but he has to agree, whether he's going to stay for the whole 2020
No,
World Cup or not. It's his personal decision.
No. It's personal on one front, but it's also commitment on the other. The board, Sri Lankan board and Mahela have a commitment with each other for a certain time frame. And if the board had given him a bit more time to stay with Sri Lanka, maybe he could have figured out his travel plans and adjusted his time with under 19.
Aryan, I am looking at it a different way. I feel it's just like an eyewash. They just put him there to show that yes, we have made use of him, but actually not
Yes.
much use of him.
I agree. Now they're just wanting to get expertise from Mahela, but they're trying to as Rohan said, yes, that point is valid. Yeah, that's correct. Here Dipanshu says, Pawan, why Sri Lanka is playing with Oman, why not with Afghanistan and Bangladesh? First of all, Afghanistan has qualified to the 2020 World Cup and they won't play against low teams like the qualifying teams right now. Talk about Bangladesh. They played recently against Bangladesh.
Different
I don't
pool.
think Sri Lanka will go and play against Bangladesh once again. They already played a warm-up match yesterday. They won't play a series in a neutral venue. That won't happen for sure.
Pawan,
That's why they went and
Pawan
played
just say
with
it is
Oman.
no one's choice. It's based on rankings. That's all.
Rankings, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not like Sri Lanka is choosing. Based
Yes.
on their rank,
ये दीपांशु
getting.
जानबूझ के ये सब पूछ रहा है.
I don't know
He's
what
going to be
I
man of
don't
the
know
match
what
in
has
this also.
I don't know what has happened to him. Let's move on to
He's-
the final. Have you guys talked about final while I
We
was
haven't
away? I
even
don't know.
finished speaking about this match. These people, the comments.
Are
section.
Pawan was started to cry, so I was like, okay,
No, I was not going to cry. Who said that I was going to cry? I never want.
okay,
Definitely
let's make you
talk
cry.
about this brilliant comeback from
Where is my
DC,
tissue?
nothing. Even though we lost the match, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Good fight
Oh,
back. At least
Doesn't
from
matter.
92 for 96 run partnership from the 12th over to get 7 wickets and just losing the match by 2 balls.
No. Here the batting side stupidity also shows. They did knock the ball around for ones and twos. Okay. They thought the fielder is in, one extra
Looks like
fielder in the
Aryan has
circle.
come with some agenda.
Yeah, no agenda. I'm just saying the batting side also is equally, responsible for taking the game to the end.
Yeah, true. I think if it was 150, probably KKR would have been more confident. They would have chased it down without taking this for so long. If
See,
it
See,
was a
this is.
after that
Hmm.
50 run power play, the match was done and dusted there only.
There are 5 words in cricket that if they get stuck into the head of a chasing side, they'll mess it
Do
up. And
not
these are
compete with a CSK fan. That are the 5
no.
words.
Let's not mess this up. These are the 5 words that might have strung into the KKR's mind.
Let's
Okay,
not
that's
Yes.
mess with CSK fans. We'll lose.
This
no.
here
But
comes the final talk. Okay, we forget about this. Anyway, good win
Hey,
from
I
DC.
had
You know,
I had on,
Pawan,
I asked only
I'll
one
tell you
thing to
one
with you,
thing.
Pawan. You haven't not said that yes till now. You have to
What?
say CSK and KKR are the best teams of the IPL.
I said CSK has been the best team in the
Good.
UAE leg and Indian leg. I don't agree with KKR. In the Indian leg, they weren't good. We have to
They
admit they were seventh
they
in the
reached
table. How do you expect them to go to the playoffs if it didn't stop due to COVID?
they
Tell
reached to
me, they have
finals.
been the
No,
best.
I'll tell you
I
what
say
happened,
they've been
Pawan.
in the best in the UAE
You
leg.
should have
They
wore
have been
that
the best in the
DC
UAE leg.
jersey. Aman
Huh?
played a trick and did not and made sure you did not get the jersey today.
No. It's my fault as well. I wasn't at home as well, so can't blame Aman for that.
no, Aryan. That was not Aryan's Pawan's fault.
Aman.
The Pawan's fault was when I told him to go back to have dinner, he did not go. When he was having dinner, DC was winning.
Come on, this why do you bring these things up on live streaming on YouTube right now? This is not this is just absurd. Here,
Okay, remove that. Edit cut.
no, I can't be this. We can't edit
This is
and all
live.
because we're doing live
This is
streaming
live.
right here.
All
Yeah.
this is live. This is here for eternity.
Okay,
and
people, if
eternity.
you're hearing, don't listen that.
Okay. We'll just
Forget that.
focus on the final now. This is good win from KKR. They deserve it, even if they were chasing comfortably. They or during this leg they
Not
have been
ready
the
to
better team
accept
than DC.
KKR is a good team.
Okay, let's go to the final.
Let's go to
Pawan.
the final. Let's go to the final now. We'll
Yes,
switch
yes.
topics to the
So
final now. CSK
whom should
versus
we
KKR.
support now? CSK, KKR.
He will say KKRC, yeah?
No, I'll go with CSK actually.
Oh my god.
Prove where?
My
Actually.
god.
Serious, yeah. Actually
But
serious. I
see,
think CSK.
the favorites are CSK
Neutral,
obviously.
but
But
I want to be neutral. I want to be neutral, but I mean, if whoever is going to win the IPL is going to be
He's
CSK.
finding it so tough to pick a side now.
No, neutral. But I see CSK winning. But I will stay
Shut
neutral
up.
for the first
You
time in 3
CSK
years.
hater. You don't want CSK to win. I know.
No. Who said no? What hatred do I have? I think definitely CSK have a chance to win this right now
They always
because
have.
KKR is picking it up.
The
When it
question
comes
is,
to
who do
chasing, they
you
mess
want
it
to
up.
win?
KKR.
The
Actually,
question is,
come
who do
on,
you
Venkat.
want to
I'm
win?
not thinking about teams. This is serious. I'm telling CSK have the chance now to win the IPL. I'm not
I've
joking around.
waited the entire season
I'll
for
tell
you
you
to
why
say
they have a
that.
serious chance to win. Venkat, the
Uh,
bowler who has not bowled in this entire IPL is in the net bowler team of India, Karan Sharma.
See,
That shows.
don't reveal all this. Don't reveal all this. To win an
Okay.
IPL, you need Karan Sharma in your squad.
Yes,
Take
he's a
all the
lucky
winning
man.
teams.
What
That-
IPL has he won? Now, how many IPLs has he won? Now, being so lucky, I also
I
can't
think
count.
4 or 5 years.
He was with Mumbai.
I
He was
think
with
5.
CSK.
He was KKR.
Hyderabad.
He was with Hyderabad.
Hyderabad,
He
Mumbai,
He won 2 with
Chennai.
Mumbai, 1 with Hyderabad, 1 with KKR, 1 with Chennai.
Hmm.
Five IPLs he
I
has.
think RCB should target him next. Aryan, Punjabi next time. Karan Sharma.
Karan
who
Sharma.
knows?
If you want to win the IPL, get Karan Sharma.
Whatever. But
Forget Rahul, forget ABD, Maxwell, सबको बाहर फेंको. Karan Sharma को
Karan
15
Sharma.
करोड़ में लो.
that is the thing.
Or see, this is one thing. The money factor that you said, Rohan, that is one of the things. A lot of teams, because they spend so much on a player, they feel obligated to play him. What happened
Yes.
with Morris? What happened with Cummins? But like say, Mumbai bought double Kulkarni for some 4-5 crores, I think,
Yes.
but they did not play. Krishnappa Gautam was bought for 10 crores. They did not play. So big.
See,
Jagannathan
the
knows,
thing is,
he's another player who could have played
No,
for me.
Jagdishan less only. I think base price, I'll say.
Base price.
no, when,
Yes,
Yeah,
when
but
you
he
go
could
Five
have
into
got
the
a
crores.
game.
auction,
He could have got a
you
game, in my
Pawan,
opinion.
tell me seriously, did you open this squad just to check whether if Karan Sharma is in there or not?
No. God, it's Venkat. What thoughts are you having? No. I just wanted to show the squads of both teams now, KKR and CSK for the final. I
Acha,
mean,
acha.
KKR might go
Okay.
with the same team. Hope Russell will be back though.
oh hello, no, I won't change the three spinners who've been successful for them throughout.
Both
Yeah.
both them
And
are unchanged.
I also want them to play CSK with 3 spinners. Yes. Come.
Yeah, so Aryan, thoughts on the final? You see that CSK will win their fourth
KKR
title or
have made only two appearances. They have won both. CSK have lost
Hmm.
6 finals, but all that is irrelevant. The best team that plays on the day will win. I
I'll be
think
happy with any
favorites
team
are
winning.
CSK, but the heart.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay. The favorites are CSK, but it will be a tough fight. KKR will inch them to the end to if they want to win this. But CSK for me, CSK are winning this. I don't know, but remember
yeah.
2012. Don't forget 2012. That is the thing.
Very true. Venkat, do you want to counter that or
What? No.
do you
KKR
agree?
is a strong team. 2011 they lost
Agree.
to CSK. 2012 they defeated CSK and won. 2014 also they defeated
But I
CSK only,
think
right?
since
2014 finals.
2014 they haven't reached the
2014,
finals.
2014 didn't happen in
Yeah, he doesn't want to
IPL
remind about
14
the
years.
2014. Okay,
Punjab.
That didn't
after
Punjab
happen.
did.
2014,
Yeah,
after
didn't
2014,
happen.
KKR haven't reached the final. Did you ever expect from this year that KKR will reach the final? I didn't. Definitely no.
Okay,
No,
that is your
not
problem.
before they
We
reached the
did.
playoff. Not
We
before
did.
the playoff, but when they made it to the playoffs, we were confident they have the momentum and they might just go through to the final, and that has happened.
See, I'm trying to be all neutral and stuff, but I'm so happy that DC is not winning the cup. That's all.
Okay, we'll keep that aside there.
Well,
So then you have to be
most
happy
of
that
the
RCB also is not winning no.
No, I love
RCB also
RCB.
got.
I love RCB. I'm just
DC
happy DC
bias,
और
did not
ये
Yeah,
win.
I
लगा
think
BSNL चौक
this
का
this up.
आखिरी बॉल पे
whatever.
छक्का.
I mean, I mean, everybody wants each year some new team to win the IPL, but it does
Hard
not
luck,
happen.
hard luck
I
for
genuinely
DC.
wanted RCB to win this, just also with Kohli as last season as a captain. I genuinely wanted RCB to win.
Hard luck for DC. I don't know. 3 wins, 3 thrillers. They lose all three.
You messed
So
it up for DC, man. You are the reason DC did not win.
no,
I
no, no.
don't
How
ask
can
me
you
the
say
logic
that?
and all. Don't ask me the logic and all. That's what I'm telling. I just
How can my
feel
logic go to Saja right now? Don't be saying cocktails over here. Yeah, but Aryan, who do you think
End
are
of
the
the day,
3 players to be retained for
I am just
KKR
happy
next
for
season?
Aman. KKR won.
yeah.
Kolkata Knight Riders retentions. I'm not saying anything right now. Absolutely nothing because no retention policies have come out, and we cannot really predict unless until we know. We are
Okay.
assuming we
You tell us who will Punjab retain.
Hmm.
okay. If you tell me the rule, is it two Indians and one foreigner? I'll tell for every team then.
I'll give you currently the current rules that is spreading. There is no thing final. One Indian, one foreigner, 2 Indians. Tell me.
One foreigner, two Indians. For KKR, I'll tell only for KKR.
No. You tell me a Punjab. Don't tell me about
Punjab.
KKR. We know
Okay,
about
okay,
Mayank
KKR.
okay.
Agarwal,
Answer. Okay.
Mayank Agarwal number one. Okay. Ravi Bishnoi number two. And out of the foreigners, I don't know whom to
You don't have to
retain.
definitely choose a foreigner.
Pura.
No? You can choose 3 Indians also.
Not
No,
Pura.
not Pura, not Pura.
Markram might be a good choice
Jordan.
sometime.
I think I'll go with Chris Jordan because irrespective of
But Chris
his
Jordan didn't play that much games, This is the
no,
thing.
but yes, but I'll change my thinking and give him that game, that he deserves. So maybe
लो
Chris Jordan, yeah.
पंजाब का ही क्लियर नहीं है सब टीम का बताना चला आ रहे हैं
Hmm.
Hmm.
I don't. For KKR, you ask me, it's gonna be. I'll retain Sunil Narayan over Andre Russell just because of the injury concerns. I don't know if he gets injured in the middle of the
Okay, tell
season.
me other three.
Other two.
Other two, tell me other
Oh,
two.
other two after.
Hmm.
Uh,
Shubman Gill for sure. Okay,
Uh.
number one. then I don't know.
Last one.
My heart says
Okay,
Venki
I'll
Iyer.
tell the
Venki
three.
Iyer.
Shubman
Wait,
Gill.
one second, Pawan. One second, Pawan.
Okay,
So you
okay.
have taken Sunil Narayan, you have taken Shubman Gill, and taken Venki. So you have taken two openers, no middle order batsman, and one spinner.
No bowler also. I
One
mean,
spinner.
Sunil Narine is there, but
Narayan.
And no captain.
and
No
no
middle
Indian
order
bowler.
player, no captain, nothing.
Everything changed. Everything changed.
For me, I'll go with Varun Chakrabarti, Andre Russell. Definitely, no matter
That
if he's
is another
injured or
story.
not. Andre Russell should be in the KKR team next season. He's
I think
definitely
this
impact
question is
player.
easiest for Rohan. You see, chal ABD Virat Kohli la?
I doubt about ABD. Honestly, ABD doubt.
I think Maxwell.
You
Not
see,
ABD.
chal Maxwell
over
Virat
ABD.
Kohli. If not
Maxwell
ABD,
or
Maxi.
ABD any day. Even I also agree.
No, the third one is still a question. There is question mark of either Padikkal or Chahal. Because Chahal will be the bowler. Padikkal will also be a opener along with Virat.
I'm not returning Padikkal. I'd rather retain someone like a Mohammad Azharuddin, who's give middle order, finisher, wicket keeper, like that.
He has
But
not
the
played a single
cost,
game this IPL.
no. I'm talking in terms of team foundations. Like you build a core, your wicket keeper is sorted that way.
See,
Again,
the
pressure will be on him. Just imagine the third
Ah.
player you retain will be what 10 crores or something. Mohammad Azharuddin gets 10
Hey, why
crores.
not
You have to
Virpal
play him
Patel?
every
Very
damn
good
Virpal
game.
Patel here,
Why not
good
put
option here from Dipansu. Great.
Yes,
Siraj?
good
Definitely, I
chance
think
is there.
Azhar could.
I am saying based on seniority. And for the Chinnaswamy pitch, someone like a Chahal has more experience than a Harshal Patel.
Harshal Patel will be hammered. He will be destroyed in Chinnaswamy.
Guys,
Exactly,
can we
that's
focus on
the
the
point.
final right now? Yeah. Now
Hey,
talk
CSK
about
winning, yeah.
whether will Raina play come back to this playing 11? No, will you keep Uttapa,
No.
Venkat?
Both teams unchanged.
no. Unchanged, man.
Hey,
Unchanged.
I understand you hate CSK, but have you not watched a single game of CSK? We don't change teams there. Simple.
So Raina was playing no until playoffs. He's played in every final no possible. He's
But
been a
now he's
hero of
changed now.
CSK.
Now he's changed now. Khatam.
Wait. If you are in the CSK management, Pawan, you go to Robin Uthappa and you dare to say him that you are not playing. That's not even possible.
1 minute, Aryan. If you want to play Raina, whom will you drop?
That's the
Uthappa.
thing, no?
If at all you
Raidu,
have to play
Raidu
Raina,
could be
you have
dropped.
to drop.
Raidu
Why
could
should
be
Raidu
Are
dropped.
you
be dropped?
mad? He just won them a match.
Safari Super.
They-
You see the match. You see the graphic. Safari Super Striker of the season. Ambati Raidu 176.
Yes, I know that. No,
There is
sorry
no
for that.
point
And
of
Raidu
this
is a very good player
discussion.
of
There will be
spinners.
no changes.
But Uttapa,
Both
I
final
mean,
teams will have no changes.
how can you drop? I definitely, I think Suresh Raina will leave CSK and go to one of those two franchises. That's definitely, I think
Okay.
that will definitely
This
We
happen.
don't know
proves-
whether he'll
this-
play also.
This proves Pawan does not know anything about CSK and especially about Raina. If there is Dhoni, he will be a Chinna mentor to CSK, but he will be CSK. That's all.
Only team that can have two mentors, CSK.
They already have.
Raina will be
Fleming.
fielding mentor.
He'll be. Why not? He's one of the greatest fielders, to be honest. If you ask me,
Yes,
he can
that's
be
why.
fielding coach. Why not?
But not better than Jaddu.
No, dude. At his peak, Raina was as good as Jaddu. His direct hits, his
Yeah,
dives, his
if not better.
catches. He was
Yeah.
electric on field. You take even the legend of fielding, Jonty Rhodes, is top 5 fielders has Raina.
Hmm.
I don't think Jaddu is in Jonty Rhodes' list. He had Paul Collingwood.
I'll tell you one more thing. Raina is very good close in, slip catching, everything. Jaddu is not a slip catcher.
Right.
He's very good in outfield.
Jaddu is a point, outfield and point. That's all.
Yeah.
Not only
Okay.
slip catching, covers also.
Okay,
Raina
talking
was a
about
terrific covers
talking
fielder.
about the strategy
Difference between-
Morgan has followed in Sharjah. That will have to change since you're going to Dubai.
Dubai.
And I don't see him starting off with spinners that much, because if you do, then someone like Faf or Gaikwad will definitely target one of the spinners, whoever comes on with the new ball.
But Chakrabarti has been impressive this season, no matter.
I'm saying
even Dubai or
one of the spinners, which Chakravarti is the least likely to be taken on. I'll say Shakib Al Hasan is the one they'll target 110% in
yeah,
the
this
power
will
play.
definitely test Morgan's skills. Also, I think first final, if I'm not mistaken, as a captain, and Dhoni is no point about Dhoni is ninth final, but Morgan first first
There's
final as
no
a
point in
captain of
discussing
KKR.
T20 or 50 or whatever. There are two World Cup winning captains. They know nerve moments. It will be a nerve wracking game. It will be a